Hi guys, today I will tell you about a Claude Code alternative that is absolutely free. You can get your coding done just like with Claude Code and it is completely free. I build my projects using entirely free tools. And no, I am not going to share the method that everyone else is suggesting, like running an AI model locally for coding. That's not practical for everyone. Not everyone has a powerful PC. For today's method, you don't need an expensive PC. You can do this on any laptop. Most people are working with 8 GB or 16 GB of RAM, maybe integrated graphics. You might think, hi, I have got 16 GB of RAM, maybe I can run local models, but the reality is that local models are still not quite there yet. These still require a very high end PC with a dedicated GPU. Even with decent RAM, if you try smaller models, they run fast but lack intelligence. If you run an intelligent model, it runs so slowly that coding becomes impossible. I am telling you this because there are plenty of videos on YouTube where people say it works great locally. I have seen them and tried it myself, but it doesn't work well. So today I will show you I will share how to code using these free AI tools. These free tools are constantly changing as new ones are introduced. These stay free for a while so we can take full advantage of them. I actively look for these free methods and tricks to help you all build your own products. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and also subscribe. It is free. It really helps me keep finding and sharing more free AI tools with you. The name of this cloud alternative is Gemini CLI. You might know about Gemini, which is from Google, but the version is quite limited now. The quotas are so restrictive that it is not really usable. Then I tried Gemini CLI, and it is a game changer. It is so well optimized. The limits that usually expire instantly in the web version after just 2 or 3 chats are much higher here. No matter how much I code with Gemini CLI, the limit holds up. I have already built and published my heavy apps with it. Now let's get into the video. Gemini CLI is a great free tool. It offers a limit of 1000 requests per day on the free plan. The CLI has several auth methods like using your Google account. You can use an API key or even Vertex AI. If you have Google Workspace, you can get up to 1500 requests, but I am assuming most of you don't have Workspace. I use a free Google account which gives me 1000 requests per day. That's more than enough for serious coding sessions. Now let's head over to the GeminiCLI.com. This website, you have the link for all these websites in the description. So after moving to this website, you will see the installation guide. Look at, you have a command npm install -g. It means globally Google Gemini CLI. Copy this command. After copying this command, let's open an empty folder. After opening an empty folder, right click and open in terminal or write cmd on the address bar. It means to open this inside the folder, inside the terminal, this folder. But if you are using Mac or Linux, the guide is the same. So I am using Windows operating system. If you would like to install it, simply we have copied that link, right click, and you will see that here. Press enter so it will install Gemini CLI on your PC. After installing Gemini CLI, to run Gemini, for that we will simply write Gemini. Simply write this command and press enter. You will see the user interface of Gemini on your screen. So look at, you will see with this interface will you run the command Gemini. So Gemini, so it says how would you like to authenticate for this project. So to authenticate, there are three options for you. Sign in with Google. As I said, you will have 1000 requests for Google account and use Gemini API key or Vertex AI. So I will use Gemini API key because the Google authentication is restricted in our location. So our location does not support Gemini. So that's why I will use Gemini API key. So let's press enter. So here I will paste my API key. Where you can get the API key, simply move to the aistudio.google app API key. So let's copy this URL. Paste the URL here. So you will move directly to the Google AI Studio. where you can copy your API key. Simply click this and you will be able to copy your API key. Also, you can create a new API key. Look at create API key. So I have my API key. I will paste that and continue. I have pasted my API key. After pasting your API key, let's press enter to continue. So look at, you will paste with this page and just write your message whatever you want. So it means to chat with Gemini. So the first thing that I would like to show you that is model. Slash model, press enter. You will see the model here. Select a model R2, Gemini 3, R2 Gemini 2.5 and manual. So come here to the manual, you will see the list of the models. But we will not go with the with the manual one. Okay, the R2 one is okay. It will select the best one for you. Simply press this and second option, that is shift tab. You can see at the top shift plus tab button. This is to auto accept edits whenever it pays with the edits like permission requirements. So it will automatically move and accept the edits. Again, press shift tab. You will see plan. Now it is in plan mode. It means whenever you just chat would like to create a project. So first of all, it will create a plan for you. Then it will continue. So let's directly move and create our project. So I have a prompt that is, create a tic-tac-toe game with a modern UI in dark mode from scratch using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So let's press enter to continue with this and create our project. So it says enter to the plan mode. So we will not move to the plan mode. Allow for this session. No, so just changes. Move to the third one. Yeah, that has been cancelled. So let's simply, yeah, again press enter. We will just move with the plan mode. Yes. I thought it will directly move directly to write the code, but it required the plan mode. So look at it says, first of all, it will create a directory tic-tac-toe. Yes, allow once. Yeah, the game has been created. Apply the changes. Yes. So you can see apply these changes. Yeah, it will complete now. So you can see that how to run the plugin. Just move to the tic-tac-toe index.html file and just run that. Let's move to that directory. You can see the directory tic-tac-toe has been created. Now we will move to the index.html. Let's open this. You can see tic-tac-toe game simply like this. So look at it as player X wins. So it was all about this. You can toggle theme and like this. You can see dark mode and light mode, reset game like this, reset game. So it was all about the game that we has created, and you can see the power of Gemini CLI tool. Let's come here back. So whatever you want, so you can just go with this. Also, one thing else that I would like to mention that as per the Claude code, the Claude.md is important for the Gemini.md file is important. So in the next videos, we will just talk about the Gemini.md file, and also whenever you are writing code, it is asking again and again, it is annoying. So we will just how to prevent this and also automatically accept everything and do our code automatically. So for the today video, it was enough. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and also leave a comment if you have any question and subscribe to our YouTube channel. It will motivate me. See you in the next video.